back with another video. Chrisean cooking versus Jaidyn's cooking. Let's get into it. Before we get into it, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my videos, and go ahead and share it if you like. Make sure you comment down below for the algorithm. Now, Jaidyn, she's been cooking for a long time. We've been seeing some of the stuff she's been cooking. She's been doing her thing. On some stuff, it was kind of iffy. I guess, that ain't my type of thing. But, some people was picking and laughing. But I think she do a pretty good job. She's pretty good at what she do. Now, Cashapp, I ain't never really seen her cook. I see her cook little stuff here or there, nothing real major. But I know them sisters can throw down because I see some places they be having. I'm like, oh my gosh, that look good. So, anyway, we're going to show you Chrisean's meal. Now, they did this. I didn't do this now. This is something I was sent. They did this. They set this up. So, it ain't something I'm comparing myself, but I'm just showing y'all. So, first, we're going to see Chrisean's.
We are making beef Frank's Hebrew hot dogs. What I do is I put them in the microwave. I don't cook them on the stove or I don't boil them. Yeah. Then I slap some mustard on it with... I ain't had to cook it like that. Woo! Grab a hot dog. Slap it on here. Grab the mustard. So the hot dog is cooked. It's split open, juicy. Next hot dog. This is a little overcooked. It's a little juicy. I don't know. Split it up. Sometimes you might want this one. I don't know what to tell you. All I say is just enjoy. But yeah. What was I ready to say? I hate when I have these brain farts, yo. I swear to God. I don't swear to God. I take that back. I need to stop saying I swear to God. Because it's like, why I'm swearing to God? Like, I need to just say it. I need to just stop, bro. And stop cussing. Oh, PSA. I'm not responding to none of my boring ops no more. You know what I'm saying? Like, if y'all want to argue with yourself, just argue with your motherfucking self. I say what I say. I got what I got off my motherfucking chest. And I don't gotta repeat myself and keep going and 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 going. But yeah, y'all gotta just stay tuned for bigger and better. That's all I got to say. Yeah, because I'm happy for like, I know I'm not on the scene and I'm not like rah. I'm taking this time in for real, honest to God, yo. Because I'm telling you, I used to not be healed inside my heart, whereas though I cried a lot. And I can tell, like, I'm still emotional, but I don't cry. Like, I get my point across and I let that be that. But, yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to go back on my hiatus, not saying nothing no more. Because it's annoying when I have to stoop to that level, or anybody level. It's like, ugh. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck am I doing on y'all level of dumb shit, petty shit? Like, fuck y'all. Alright. Fuck y'all, but yeah, fuck the situation, fuck whatever, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing a Q&A with Blue.
Now we're going to see Jaidyn's. And y'all tell me what y'all think.
Alright. Wingstop. Y'all ready?
Yes. Yes.
Who wants ranch?
Me.
Me.
Okay, so I got hot and honey and mango habanero. This one is the hot honey. They felt like working today. I got veggie sticks, not fries, because I'm trying to be skinny.
I'll go wash my hands.
Alright.
Thank you for the food, Mom.
You're welcome.
Let's get my food, Mom.
You're welcome. Do homework in 10 minutes.
What?
Yeah, Javon.
I learned this one.
He has like this thing against homework, and how do y'all get y'all kids to do homework? Because this is just not working over here.
Why?
No. No. Oh, God.
Y'all, when they put these verses together, I was cracking up. I was like, look what Cashapp is fixing. Like, they're really going to show this of her. I don't know if she got some other videos where she cooking or if she can cook or she can't cook. I really don't know. I don't think I ever seen her cook. As I think about it, I really don't know. Yeah, I can't think of a time where I seen her cook. But I would imagine she would know how to cook because her sisters know how to cook. They might have just been trying to be funny about this situation because what she was fixing and what Jaidyn was fixing. I really don't know. But Jaidyn be throwing down with a lot of stuff. Some stuff be iffy, I guess, like I said, because I just don't like it. But for the most part, I see her throwing down. But y'all comment down below. I just had to bring a little laugh to y'all. Comment down below. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Bang a Plate Game. Subscribe to Trish World. Subscribe to Brownsugga. Make sure you check me out on social media. Check out my shop. Check out my IGT page. Shop with your girl. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, be blessed.